In this video, I'll be showing you how I do my toes at home.
I like to start off with clean feet, and I haven't done my toes in about 2 months, so please be nice, guys. This is what they look like now. And I'm starting off by clipping my toenails in small cuts going straight across. This will help avoid overcutting, and we definitely don't want any ingrown nails. Then taking a 100 grit file, I'm going in and filing my big toe. This part is so satisfying, just to make sure I get it perfectly shaped and squared. And then I'm going in and doing that on the sides as well. And then I'm just finishing off with the rest of the nails. You definitely want to avoid going back and forth, so if you hear this sound, you know you're doing it incorrectly.
You never want to go back and forth with this.
Once I'm happy with the shape, I go ahead and apply cotton balls that I soaked in acetone, and I leave it there for about 10 seconds. This makes the removal process so much easier. I actually went to cosmetology school during my high school years, so as soon as I graduated with my cosmetology license. My teacher showed me this step, and she definitely helped my life. None of the girls wanted to do pedicures, so she told me that feet were cleaner than your hands because your hands touch everything, so I was always the one doing the pedicures on the floor. Once I'm happy with the results, I'm adding a base coat by Beauty Secrets. I personally don't cut my cuticles on my toenails. I just don't have that many, and I don't need to do this process, but if you do, you can. And then I'm taking any nail polish off of my skin and just finishing off with the rest of the toes. Once I was all done, I just let them dry for a little bit, and I'm taking this Perfect Green by Wicked. In spirit of the movie coming out, these are the perfect toes to have right now. I'm actually going to rewatch Wicked 1 before I watch Wicked 2 because, girl, I cannot remember half of it. I don't know. I just need to rewatch it. Let me know if you watched it or if you're going to watch the new one. OPI did an awesome job with this color. It's called Ozitively Elphaba. It's a deep green color that looks chrome and sparkles. Once I was finished, I went ahead and cleaned off any nail polish from my skin. And then this is the first coat. Compared to the second coat, the color is very opaque. And now I'm doing my favorite top coat by Essie. And then just look at this color. It is so beautiful. What do you think? Let me know down below. Now I'm ready for date night. And here's an up close and personal. Thank you for watching. Bye.